What is up, man? What is up, everybody? It's your boy Elevated. Drop that like, drop that subscribe. We back out here again. Now look, I will be going to you know, some different spots, so you guys understand that eventually. But drop that like, drop that subscribe, man. That's a damn shame what they did to that churches, bro. Like, what happened? Hey, bro. And not just that one, it's a bunch of them, man. It's like they're just done, I guess. It is crazy. Anyway, drop that like, drop that subscribe, man. We're gonna do the usual route and kind of make a big U, no pun intended. Drop that like, drop that subscribe. But anyway, yeah, it's kind of cool out here. We're just out here rolling around, chilling, hanging out on Fig like we usually do. Look like somebody tried to get up in there or something. Drop that like, drop that subscribe, man. But yeah, like I alluded to or said earlier, I will be going other places, man. You know, I guess at the end of the day, this probably will be a mostly Fig video, Fig channel, I guess. I don't know. I got a lot going on as far as, like, you know, I just started TikTok, so I need to kind of keep that content going. Yeah. Again, you have to watch out for distracted drivers on this street, bro. I'm telling you. Him and that dude in that other truck had a little thing, because I think he kind of yeah, he did something, like, you know. And that's what I'm saying, bro. You gotta, the distracted drivers out here, if you know what I mean. I finally made my TikTok, and so, you know, Scoops is great. And yeah, man, I'll probably give that TikTok out eventually. We're gonna jump in the street real fast. Let me describe the plan. It's not really too much going on down here, so I'm gonna try to get on the other side. I'm trying to see, should I just duck down here real fast? Sitting down on the job. You know, so yeah, like I said, oh, damn. Look how the clothes they got up here, bro. How's it going? I'm just looking. They got some nice little polo shirts. I don't think they'll do too much vandalizing these in the hood, bro. Yeah, you can. Sometimes I'll be as carefree as hell out here, and then other times I'll be a little tense, and I don't know. But I would say the vast majority of the time, I'm chilling. Y'all drop that like, drop that subscribe for your boy, man.
Wonder what that knocking is, bro. I'm about to go get my motor checked.
Yeah, man. I think we gonna yeah, I think I'm gonna start pushing back, cause I don't really like that rattling that I'm hearing. It's not messing with the power or anything. I don't feel like it's anything like that going on, but I'm not comfortable with it. I don't like it. I'm gonna have to get that looked at.